morning. It's currently 6:45 in the morning. I'm up. It's not yet bright, but it's early. To go to King's Cross station to meet my friends, and then we are going to head to Jollibee, a Filipino fast food chain that everyone's raving about. So I mean, every Filipino are raving about, so we're going there bright and early so that we don't have to queue, because the queue can be quite long if you're queuing late. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Lego. It's only 7:30, I think, and there's a long queue. Not bad. Hi, I'm back. I was out for a stroll to my friend's hotel because my stomach was hurting. But anyway, I'm back. I'm going back to Jollibee where I left my friends there. So the queue has gotten longer since I went out. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's crazy.
Priorities kasi Jollibee.
It's Jollibee. The priority. Finally, we're going in. We arrived here at 7:20. It's now 8:38 and we're still outside.
So near yet so far.
So near yet so far. Still outside.
When you go in, another 40 minutes waiting for food.
Oh, that's true. Wala pang kumakain, no?
Yeah. We're finally inside, but we're still queuing. We waited for an hour and a half.
Finally.
Just for this. Finally.
Is it just an hour and a half?
I think probably 2 hours.
By the time we get there.
Yeah. The queue.
It's gonna be worth it.
It's gonna be worth it if you come here. If you're Filipino and you want Jollibee.
Flew all the way to Westminster.
Yeah.
Woke up at like what time?
I woke up at 5. And then
Quarter to
slept
6.
again. And then got up at like 6. Yeah, 6. I got up at 6.
Yeah. It's a good thing we didn't buy breakfast.
Yeah.
Because this will be the breakfast.
This will probably also be lunch.
I think it's lunch when I'm ordered late.
Pero,
All good. Part of that.
food is life. After 2 hours, guys, we finally get to eat. Yay!
The reward. How was your burger steak? How was it?
It's really good. Tastes like Jollibee.
Does it taste like the same as the one in the Philippines?
I'd say so.
Yeah. How's your food? How's your food?
Oh, it's good. Spaghetti is really exactly as it is.
Yeah.
Gravy, I'm not sure. But doesn't matter.
Yeah. We waited for 2 hours so we'll just eat.
Unless we're just starving, that's why we're saying it's good.
Yeah, probably. Okay, just finished my spaghetti. Time for the rice. Round 2. Round 2. Rice and chicken. The food tastes exactly the same as, I feel like it tastes exactly the same as the Jollibee chicken in the Philippines. So. Or maybe I'm just really hungry for waiting for 2 hours. Hello! Woo! Enjoy! How was it?
Good. Just like the spaghetti in the Philippines. It's the same formula.
All gone. All gone. Finished.
Oh yeah.
Can I sleep now?
Gone. Finished.
We are done eating. Our stomachs are full. We're now going to Piccadilly Circus because she wants to go shopping.
Wow, you have money?
Filipino fast food, went to a Japan center, and now we're going to a Chinatown
In London.
in London.
Stop it.
Hey, what's up? I'm Lewis Hamilton, and welcome to the Mercedes-AMG Petronas experience.
£10 per person to try that simulator. It wasn't worth it. Strawberry tea. Yeah, we're going back to our hotels. Yeah, and then we're gonna meet up afterwards around 6 and then go straight to Battersea for a fireworks display. We're dropping by my favorite takeaway Japanese chain called Wasabi. Gonna probably get a mixed rice, which is my favorite from Wasabi. My other favorite is chicken katsu curry, but I'm too full to eat that, so. My favorite. Good evening. I'm on my way back to King's Cross Station to meet my friends. Probably gonna get some water and then look for my friends, and then we'll head to the fireworks display in Battersea. Hi! Let's go! Sorry. Catching the bus!
There's a gazillion people. What's up?
Let's ask.
Wait.
Oh no, we won't be able to get in. It's too full. The bus is too full, we can't get in. 156.
Wait, which way?
Hoy, baka tanungin mo. Baka mamaya ibang way ha.
Ang daming tao.
Okay, we got lucky with 156. We don't even know if this goes there, but I think this is the first stop. We'll see. We'll see if it goes there. We're on the right bus, yeah.
So?
Not this one, the next one.
Guys, follow the crowd. It's a go.
Oh, thanks.
Great dog.
The queue is so long.
Woo! We survived the queue!
Yeah.
I said Battersea, are you ready?
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.
What do you think?
It's so super amazing.
Yeah, thank you, Abe.
So cool.
It was his idea.
Good idea, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so close.
Here.
I think
Yeah.
it's better Much better than the New Year's.
Yeah.
This year it's not as packed.
Yeah.
And we were close as well.
Yeah. That was really breathtaking. The music was good as well. It went with the fireworks. We are now walking towards Westminster because for sure the transport are packed with people and trying to get on. So pew, 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 pew. We're avoiding the crowd. We got on the bus anyway. We didn't want to walk.
I'm still seeing fireworks, guys. So many lights.
We got on the bus. We found the bus that goes to Tube station. Ito kayo parang others too.
The Victoria Line train
I got 5:34, guys. Yes.
How many?
5:34. I'm winning, guys. I'm winning.
Winners alive. Kaya tayo loto kaya. Tara, loto tayo.
Wala siguro naglalaro na ito.
Oh my goodness. I've never won this much tickets in one go. So this is what I got. Marshmallow. Keychain.
So ano nga siya?
They better be open. It's still open. Oh. Wonton soup.
Sorry. Para siyang lechon pero hindi kala ko kasi mabilis ko na makukuha ito eh. Diba? Para siyang lechon pero no.
The skin is really crispy.
Oh really?
Yeah. The chicken meat is really soft.
Pipeng, tran mo ko isa niyan please.
Currently 11:57 and we're still eating. We are done with our midnight snack. How was it, guys?
It's good.
Oh, it's
different.
One of the best Chinese I've been to.
Yeah,
It's really good.
called Plum Valley. If you're here in the Chinatown, you should go and eat there.
And maybe try to come in a bit early though.
Go
Yeah.
for the soy sauce with the vinegar. Oh, jeez.
Soy sauce with the vinegar. What?
Go
Yeah.
for the soy sauce with the vinegar.
On your dim sum. We are finally in King's Cross Station at 1 AM in the morning, having fun in platform 9 3/4.
They took away the trolley.
I'll insert the Instagram boomerang in the video. Bye guys. Good night. Enjoy your sleep. See you tomorrow. Bye. Right. Walking back to the hotel. I'm gonna end this vlog because I am super wrecked. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the vlog today. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, my last day here in London. Peace out. Bye.